warm lights shining through the rain. Tiny paws behind the glass, people smiling as they choose, while forgotten souls just pass. Outside on the empty street, cold eyes quietly watching near, not asking for a perfect home, just someone willing to care. And maybe they don't wear ribbons, maybe they're covered up in scars, but broken souls still feel the same, no matter where they are. Why is love so easy to buy, but so hard to give away? They stand outside the glass tonight, still hoping someone stays.